Anong feeling?
Sarap. Sarap ng cake.
Sarap? Lisa. Ano?
Sarap ng cake.
Ano feeling? Nakakaya ko ba? Ito na yun, touch. Ano feeling? Balik ang supuan ko. Ano feeling, Jen? Ha? Anong masasabi mo? Isang ano lang, isang sentence lang.
I'm happy and thankful
For what?
for everything. And I'm blessed.
Especially,
My family and friends are here. Thank you.
do you need more?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Thanks. Ano masasabi mo sa birthday ni Totoo. Lilit mo ba?
Ano masasabi mo sa birthday ni Teresa?
Masarap dahil mandarin. Joke. Wait, ano ba yung ginagawa mo?
Ari, ano masasabi mo sa birthday?
It's kind of good and then busog na.
Ay, lakasan naman. Kaya...
Okay lang. Maganda. Masaya.
Dun kay Andy Sesi.
And this is
What?
can you say the birthday
What?
birthday of Teresa?
Okay, like, oh, are you in a team, right? Yeah, like I have to say a wish or something? Okay. So I wish that Teresa has a very happy birthday and she has the best of luck because now she's 18, so she can do whatever she wants. So, yeah, something like that. So,
Something like that.
and yeah, I hope the best for her future. So yeah.
Yay!
What about you?
What are we? You. Okay. So, what do you want to say to Dress?
Happy birthday!
Dali natin, wag na choosy. Dali, okay.
Happy birthday, Tere. I love you. Miss you, Mama Chup Chup. Sis, pagaling ka. Ingat ka palagi. Ano pa? Ate na kita, ha? Ate na kita.
Ha?
Ate na kita, kaya ingat palagi. Love you.
Kanta.
Baby. Naman ganun.
Isa ka na.
Sino pa?
Sino ba? Pingsan niyo. Ay, dali
Nahiya
na.
ako.
Hindi, dali.
Ginagano.
Susubukan. Ay, subukan.
Sige.
Sige. Ano eh? Huwag ka konti. Doon na, dali. Dali.
Tita, ano pa masasabi? Ano? Ano po? Asan yung mic ko? Say ah.
Ay, yung kote. Patay mo na.